everybody, welcome to the channel. As you can obviously see, I'm driving right now. I'm actually on my way to an annual event that happens here in Las Vegas. It is called Shelby Bash. It's held over at Shelby American. Today is the car show, and I'll talk about a little bit more of what it is and what they do in just a moment. But before we get into that, if you could do me a huge favor, hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel. Definitely would appreciate it. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers, likes, and comments. I really enjoy, conversing with everybody that's been, whether it's the DIY videos or some of the event videos or some of the project builds. Yeah, the feedback is really appreciated, and yes, leave some more comments and see what you like to see and what you don't like to see, or like today's event, some of the cars you want to see featured. But yeah, I'm still on my way there, driving there right now, and I'll be back as soon as I get there. Having a Top Gun, not Top Gun moment for those with nostalgia, but I'm driving my Scion XB, and in such M2 fashion, that's a Frontier Airlines plane that is landing, or taking off actually, but it's not the airline of choice, but it's what I can afford.
A few inches later.
Just got here to the event. I'm gonna go do a full walkthrough of the car show itself, and then kind of show you some of the new stuff that Shelby is working on. I have no idea where Kash is. I know he's busy. This is one of his big main weekends that he's really busy with work, so don't want to bug him too much, but I'll run into him a little bit later. Let's go ahead and get started. last hour of Shelby Bash here inside the merch area section of the facility. Earlier there was a line for people buying merch. There's a register here and there's another register there, and the line was going all the way up to here, which is really cool to see. Really excited to see that, you know, the Shelby fan base is that diehard. But yeah, there's a lot of merch here, a lot of stuff for sale. Really cool event, really busy event. What you caught in the video is I'm filming a little bit later when it's dying down, but earlier it was really crowded. So congrats to Shelby American and their successful event this year. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next episode.